Right now, this whole system is venting to the room. The chiller pump burned out, so the climate system that normally handles temperature and air movement is down until I get it fixed. Without air moving through here, humidity climbs to 100%. The glass will fog, and everything living inside the system ends up breathing stale air. The problem is, every day that the system stays open, water leaves through evaporation, and I'm losing some of the system's resources to the room, which, to be quite honest, defeats the entire purpose of this project. But nonetheless, we'll have the system running and closed again soon, but until then, it's time to top the water off. I could just pour the extra water straight into the lake, but I almost never do that. I add water up here at the Lowland Meadow, the highest point in the whole system. Moving water through land keeps nutrients moving through the soil, and it's exactly what the rain system would be doing right now if it was running. So watch what happens as soon as water hits the ground. Everything comes out, from tons of isopods to the Surinam roaches I never get to see. I also sometimes get a good look at these common crypt ants, which are elusive, but I've had them here in mini biota for almost 4 years. From land, the water works its way down through the soil and travels biome to biome as base flow, which is pretty much the same way real lakes get topped off between rainstorms. I don't know exactly how long I'll be topping this off by hand, but until the pump's fix, this is how the lake is going to be getting its water back.